Lord Bethell, please commence. Thank you.
Senators, good morning, good afternoon. Thank you very much indeed for giving me this opportunity. I'm here to offer a practical perspective from the UK, where we spent 5 years developing and implementing legislation to protect children online, including and specifically from exposure to violent and degrading pornography. So let me be clear about the number one point. It can be done. The UK's Online Safety Act, passed in 2023, mandates very clear age verification for commercial pornography sites. Despite initial resistance, the measure has landed very well. The tech industry, including and very importantly, X, formerly known as Twitter, has complied. Public support is strong. And most importantly, the evidence demonstrates that children are expressing relief, and the evidence is clear that they feel safer online. Senators, privacy concerns are valid, but we have seen that they are manageable. We've heard libertarian arguments that age verification threatens privacy. In practice, it hasn't. The UK has adopted privacy-preserving age estimation technologies, such as facial analysis and document checks, but it is shown that they do not store personal data. These systems are already being used in banking, gambling, and alcohol sales. We apply the same standards online. Senators, the VPN argument is overstated. Yes, some adults may use VPNs to bypass restrictions. These are costly and intrusive. But the idea that this renders the policy ineffective is a myth. Young children do not routinely use VPNs. They cost money. It's difficult to administer. The goal is not perfection, it's harm reduction. Even partial barriers significantly reduce exposure and delay first contact with harmful content. And the nature of the pornographic problem we face in society is not of young children seeking pornography, but of young children being sent pornography by predators, by bullies, and by the algorithms of big tech. The UK example shows this is achievable. We worked for years to build consensus, consult stakeholders, and develop technical standards. We're the first country in the world to enforce age verification on this scale for online pornography. It's a real-world example of a liberal democracy acting decisively to protect children without compromising adult freedoms. Importantly, there's no question that we're going to go backwards on this one. Once protections are in place, they become part of the public expectation and part of the childhood experience. The idea of removing them is politically and socially untenable. And that's why I urge Canada to act now. Delay only prolongs the harm to children. In the UK, we took great care that protections do not discriminate against LGBTQ+ communities or sex workers. The law targets commercial platforms, not individuals. It's about corporate accountability. There's no moral judgment. And if not this bill that you are considering, then what? Senator Miville-Deschenet's bill is thoughtful and proportionate. If Parliament chooses not to adopt it, I urge you to offer an alternative, because doing nothing is no longer defensible. The evidence of harm is overwhelming. The tools to act are available. The public, especially parents, are demanding change. And the tsunami of AI-enabled porn aimed at our children is absolutely terrifying. So in closing, I offer this. The UK has shown that online safety legislation can be effective, can be proportionate, and can be rights respecting. Canada has the opportunity to lead in North America as we have led in Europe. I urge you to seize it. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Tobias Schmid.